Let me show you how you can create and execute an entire business marketing plan for your business for the next 365 days, just like we do for our multiple businesses. So let's go ahead and create a new plan. When you do, you can add in details using various different mechanisms based on the kind of access that you have. At the very least, you can add a description of your product or service and a link to the website. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So these are the details of FranknAI. I could have also used a website depending on your level of access. You can also use audio or upload a document. I can choose one of multiple languages, as you can see over here, and then I can choose a starting date. I can choose platforms, again, depends on the kind of access that you have. So in this case, I'll choose Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can choose objectives. So what do you want out of the post that you make? Do you want increased brand awareness? Do you want more customer loyalty? Do you want to maybe make sales? In which case, you can just go ahead and look for the right objectives. And how often do you want to post? Every day or over a certain period of days? And then do you want to include weekend or not? Do you want to include images or not? And do you want automatic extended task details or not? Let's proceed to the next step. Let me show you what you get. Within a few seconds, you will see all the tasks popping up, and you can see this is what needs to be done for the next 14 days. And just go ahead and you can look at the task details, and you can also see the entire content that you need to post. You can either copy and paste this if you want to, but the other option for you as well is that you can just go ahead and publish it now. And if you've integrated your social media accounts and anything else that needs to be done, you will be able to post this content automatically to your pages. Following up from that, if you want to look at the calendar view, you can go ahead and see what the post would look like. You can also set up automation by connecting to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and again, depending on the level of access, Telegram and Discord, and more to be added in the future. You can generate more tasks if you want to from a starting date, and you can change the plan settings by changing description here if you like. And if you're using any kind of project management system, you can also export tasks to CSV and then import them into your project management system. All this is easy to use, and as you can see, we also generate images for you, so you can just go ahead and pick the image that you want to use with the post that you're making. This is a very powerful software because it will make your life so much easier, because one of the key things that most businesses struggle with is to consistently create and post new content, and now you'll be able to do that with just a few clicks. And even though you just saw 2 weeks worth of content, once that content runs out, the new one will be available and ready to be posted automatically for you as well, like clockwork. So you are taken care of for the next 365 days and even more, again, depending on whether you go unlimited or not.